Sorry about that, guys. It kind of cut me off in the middle, but I don't know why my phone's doing that. But like I said, guys, you know, these are the type, like, this is what I enjoy doing. As you can see, the rock used to be a lot bigger. It never been really spread out over that way. All these rocks had changed for the flood. I don't know if you know that, but you guys probably do know this. As I said in my other videos, the coastline got hit really hard. I do want to do a 5 minutes of silence for little Kyle that was dripped out of his mom's arms. You know, last thing his mom ever said to his mom was, "Mom is gonna be okay." And he was dripped away. The last image his mom has of him is floating on his back. So 5 minutes of silence starting now. Okay, guys, thank you for respecting my 5 minutes of um, 5 minutes of silence for little Kyle. I don't know his last name, but maybe somebody in my chat can help me out with that. Like I said, he was during the massive flood that the coastline had in California, basically, but the coastline got hit really hard when a dam broke. I want you guys to know that the last thing he said to his mom was, I think we might have to move. Last thing he said to his mom was, "It's gonna be okay, Mom." And that had to be the hardest thing that any parent could ever hear from their child. "It's gonna be okay, Mom." And get out of the car with a flood, and he got dripped away from our arms, and we're gonna have to move. Yeah, I think we might have to move to higher ground. But so that must be the hardest thing that mom has ever had to hear. And just let you know, so meanwhile, of all this has happened, they still haven't found little Kyle. The last image she has of him is him floating backward, floating on his back, looking up at the sky. They haven't found him, so I pray that God, somehow just lets him come to a wash up somewhere and just, be okay. I can't imagine what the parents are going through. I hope I never have to imagine that, what the parents are going through. But like I said, guys, having a massive flood, and then my light's out. Yeah, it's out. Okay, my SD light died. Well, I'll probably charge it for tonight. But like I said, having all that go on and all this is extremely hard. Especially, I'm gonna sit you guys right here real quick. Hope you guys still be able to hear me. Hopefully, I have a loud mouth. I have a big mouth still. Hopefully. Put you guys right there. I'll put my mask back on. Put my mask. But like I said, guys, So I just ask you guys to please pray for Kyle's family, and during the moment of silence, I hope that'd be a good time to do a prayer. I want to do a prayer right now for California and for Kyle and his family. Dear Heavenly Father, I ask you please watch over this beautiful state of California, and I ask you please be in a part of Kyle's family, and please be with little Kyle right now, God. Just help this family have closure, God. You know where he's at. Please, just let something get washed up, or let something happen that the family knows that, so family can have closure. And may your little Kyle rest in peace. Kyle, we're all praying for you. Kyle, you're not forgotten. Kyle, you're an amazing little boy. You were so brave, and you're still being brave. And I ask this in God's precious name. Amen. So that was a prayer for Kyle and his family. A lot of times we go through so much in life that, we forget about the little things. Basically this is kind of like a wake-up call to be more kind to people. To be more kind to people in our lives, And if we're more kinder to people, we'll go walk over here. Hope the flood will come. Because then I'll be running like a little girl. But, like I said, yeah, the caves are over that way, but we're not going to the caves because I don't feel like going swimming. And if I don't feel like going swimming today, or get rescued. So yeah, we're not walking back over the caves, but if you had fun walking over here, well, I sure did. Somebody lost their glasses. I think we can walk up this way a little bit. Yeah, no, we're not. The water's coming. Hello. We're gonna walk back over this way. Yeah, I don't do water, guys. As you guys know, I don't feel like getting wet. So, yeah, we're not doing that today. No water for me. If it was, woo, hello. Oh, shoot. Yep, the tide's coming after me. As you guys can see, I lost my spot. Oh, yeah, I was over here. Let's go sit way over here, guys. Fly away from the water as possible can. Oh, God. Um, so basically, guys, I hope it doesn't rain. Maybe the clouds are just moving in. It's almost nighttime. I am going to head back in a little bit. But I wanted to drop this video on YouTube because I did promise people here on YouTube that we go by the caves. But yeah, that ain't going to happen, guys, because the tide's up high. So basically, we're doing this. Yep. We're just here talking to the ocean, and we're just basically talking to the ocean, and well, not talking to the ocean, I'm talking to you, and you guys are looking at the ocean. It's kind of cool, you know, to see how beautiful the ocean is. You know, we never really get over it. You know, with me, I love the ocean. I have always loved the ocean. The ocean has always been this amazing place, you know, and it's hard to believe that, you know, it's hard to believe how beautiful it is, how people take little things for granted, but I don't know. I mean, you know, every time I hear, you know, every time I see little images of Kyle, you know, I can't get his little face on my head. How he was almost, you know, how he was just ripped out away from his mom. I can't imagine what that family's going through, still going through, you know. But like I said, you know, but us saying a prayer for him and his family, knowing how brave he was to tell his mom that everything's gonna be okay. That's just amazing. You know, this little boy said that to his parent, no, to his mom. You know, that should give people so many encouragement. That should give a lot of people encouragement to keep going in life. Don't let the little things bother you. You know, I mean, the world is so big, it's under our control. You know, like the flooding. You know, we got a big rainstorm. Nobody knew the dams were going to break, or the dams, or, you know, and all that. Like I said, anybody in my chat knows the little boy's name. Please put it. No, his name's Kyle. I don't remember his last name, but trust me, if you pray for Kyle, God, don't see her talking about. It's kind of pretty over there. Take a picture over there. Like I said, I would love to go see what the caves look like after all the flooding. But yeah, we can't get over there because it's really, really, really flooded. Like I said, all these rocks were not here before, so I don't know if they came off her and then they washed back up, but pretty much, yeah, they probably did. I'm pretty much sure that after the flooding, they probably closed down the caves. Probably won't let anybody in them anymore. They used to just have it right open and let people in them. But I'm pretty sure now they probably have the caves blocked off. You know, I mean, who wouldn't? After all that, I know I would. I wouldn't want to go to caves. But, you know, Okay guys, I'm gonna end my stream right here. I'm gonna go a little bit on D Live. Bye.